Hey, welcome back to my channel. My name is Arielle and today we are trying MAC lip kits. I have Ryan and Karen. The third one was out of stock, but that's okay because I actually know these two. So we're going to start with Ryan since it is the lighter of the two. Packaging is simple but cute. It is a real kit, like resealable bag. On the inside we have the lip pencil in chestnut, satin lipstick in faux, and lip gloss in nymphite. This is my first time ever having MAC makeup. I use MAC Prep and Prime, but never have I ever had MAC makeup. So this is a picture that's inside of Ryan Destiny. And I'm really excited because, let me see, let me take everything out first. Oh, what else is in here? Ingredient list, okay, that's important. And then we have the actual product. So let's do swatches first. The lip liner, like I said, is chestnut. And of course, I've heard so much about chestnut over and over and over again, but I never had chestnut money. So this is how it looks. Very creamy, wow. That's nice. This is the lip gloss, and what did I say it was? Nymphite. The lip gloss is a shimmery pink, and on the hand, this is how it looks. So again, lipstick is in the color Faux 808. I feel so fancy because I've always wanted MAC. Ooh, so that is the pink. Hopefully you can see it because I feel like I can't really see it, but okay. Take off my Laneige. I'm going to take whatever's on my foundation brush, dust it over my lips. Just to kind of mute them out, and then I'm going to put my Laneige back on just a little bit because I have dry lips and I don't know, I'm just afraid that I have to do this video again if my lips are too dry and cracky. Just a little bit. And then we're going to go in with the lip liner. I'm going to get close. Lip liner first. Can you see me? Yes, you can. And, ooh, nice and smooth. Wow, this is like really nice. Now, I don't really like my Cupid's bow, so I'm just going to make it more round, and then I'm going to fill my lips in. Honestly, I'm just going to do what I would have done with any other lip product. The corners are always a little strugglesome because I'm like, did he really cut it in the corners? Like, always a little wet, but okay. I honestly can say that was very smooth going on. So now we're going to do the lipstick, and I'm going to put focused it more so in the middle, and then with the lip gloss, which is like a shimmery pink, like I said. Now usually I would put my lip gloss only in the middle, but I'm gonna put it all over. Finishing touches, I'm just going to blend that brown a little. So my first impression as a first time MAC lip purchaser, love it. It feels really good, very smooth, not at all sticky. The shimmer in the pink is subtle, but it does just enough to make the lip bounce, pop. So I can say I like Ryan. I would wear Ryan. Lip kits are nice because it gets you out of the normal, which is for me brown lip liner and like a palish gray pink lipstick. So yeah, this is Ryan. Put everything back. Okay, now we're gonna wipe this off and do the red. Now, I am a little nervous about the red because I am not a red lipstick girl. I never found one that looked good on me. Same thing again, I'm using just a little bit of my lip mask by Laneige, and I'm gonna show you because this video ain't sponsored. I can show you other stuff if I want to. It's not gonna affect anything. I do this all the time. Now, this red by Karen, when I saw her wear it, it really did look like the perfect red for anybody because it had a lot of blue. In this kit, we have Lip Pencil in Cherry, Lock Kiss Ink 24-Hour Lip Color in Gossip, and Lip Glass in Clear. Ingredient card, pencil, swatch. I like the way that looks. And then we have okay. They're pretty close in color. I feel like the lip, I'm pretty sure this is a liquid lipstick. It's just darker, like a little darker. So that's perfect. And then clear lip gloss, I'm pretty sure it's just clear, right? Ain't nothing special about that. It's just clear, but I'm gonna show you anyway. I'm gonna start at the bottom this time. Do you see how, oh, you probably don't know it. I'm just naturally so light-handed, and this is just, well, nah, I said that. It's going on so smooth, but let me stop talking, hold on. I tried to do like a simple makeup so that it could look good with both of these lip kits. You could put this all over your lips if you want to. I wonder if it's gonna like dry down. This is the part that's the most nerve-wracking. So on my hand, it has started to dry down a little bit. Ooh. But hold my thoughts. Oh my gosh. I love it. Oh my gosh, I really love it. Now, don't judge me because my lines may not be clean. I am not a makeup artist. I could do enough to get by, okay? Ooh, it is dry, so yeah, we need to put some gloves because it's dry. It's drying up quick. The color is so beautiful. OMG. I wasn't expecting it to be so good. So let's see. Ooh, that was nice because my lips was about to crack. Okay, so for this one, I can see why she wanted to do the gloss because liquid lipstick on its own is dry as I don't know what. But this is my first time having a red lipstick I actually don't feel like I look like a clown in. Oops, I'm making a mess. Oh gosh, Arielle. So I keep like putting on my gloss and trying to pat my lips together. And you can't really do that because it does start to stick. Now I do like the lip color. I feel it's very complimentary. with the lip gloss on top, it feels comfortable. There's no way I would be able to just wear the lip color, like the liquid lipstick, but that's not a problem. This is the way the kit was. I put it on the way she put it on, and I'm happy with the way it looks. Both of them are like their own style, and I like that. Now, lip pencils, I can see why people spend the money they do on MAC lip pencils, because it was creamy, it was smooth, I barely had to press down, and naturally I'm pretty light-handed, so I find myself like really putting my lip liner on, and I just did it my normal way and it was gliding on. So yeah, this is my first time trying MAC lip products, and I have to say I'm impressed. I wish I could have got the other one to show you as well so I could make it a complete video, but I'm happy with what I got. Ryan Destiny, ILUVSARAHI, which is also Karen, and I like them both. I'm gonna put Karen back, keep all my stuff together. Now, one thing I want to say about the lip, I don't think it would have transferred at all if you were to just leave that lipstick without putting the gloss. Yeah, this transfers though. That look better like that. Wipe that off immediately because I will forget. And I have a white shirt. The red was definitely the most out of my comfort zone, but I told myself, if I get the red and I don't like it, at least I got a lip liner out of it and a lip gloss. And I'm gonna leave it on. Just make sure it doesn't get on your teeth, and don't worry about my application. Like I said, I'm not a makeup artist, but I will link the MAC kit from Ryan and Karen in the description so you can check them out. I did get them from MAC. This video is not sponsored, I just wanted to do it. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. What'd you say?
Somebody laid that thing down.
What?
That lace.
Hey! Okay, look, you ready to see my lips?
Which one is it?
It's the red one.
Okay.
You ready?
Yeah. That's vibrant, sugar. Oh, darling.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
You like it for real?
Yeah. It look nice. Did it have a liner?
Yeah. It was the whole kit, girl.
What color the liner?
Red.
Yeah, it look nice.
What you rate it?
I rate her a... Let me see. Stop puckering up, sugar. I'm gonna get her a 10.
Period.
And you know I don't like red lipsticks like that.
I know.
That look nice though.
Thank you, love.
So beautiful.
Thank you. So beautiful.
Thank you. Did you do the other one yet?
Yeah.
I'm gonna have to see her
Yeah.
on your video, I guess.